Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel where I, Paige, have turned into an Animal Crossing villager and I'm going to give us a pep talk in a 60-second video. So, right now, as we're all working from home, it's easy to feel a little sluggish. And honestly, it's hard to take a moment and separate work hours from home hours. I know that for whatever reason, my brain thinks it's time to travel on over to writing land at like 2 in the morning, and that's not cool. You do not need to spend every single moment being productive. You can't edit for 24 hours or write for 24 hours. You need to take those moments to sleep, to eat, to watch a movie, to play a video game like Animal Crossing, and decompress. Of course, it's very important to give it your all, like this villager Boots is about to tell us. We want to give it our all, but we also need to take care of ourselves. So take care of yourself out there. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all the links below. Send me your friend code if you want to play Animal Crossing together, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.